sir, which are wrong, sir. Wrong! Under Section 37B of the contract signed by him, it states quite clearly that all offers shall become null and void if, and you can read for yourself in this photostatic copy, I, the undersigned, shall forfeit all rights, privileges, and licenses herein contained, etc., etc. Facts, mandates, incendiary or account, etc., etc. Many of this punitive and atom. It's all there, black and white, clear as crystal. You stole fizzy lifting drinks. You bumped into the ceiling which now has to be washed and sterilized so you get nothing. You lose. Good day, sir. You're a crook. You're a thief to this way there. That's what you are. How can you do a thing like this? Build up all your blood, folks, and smash all his grief to pieces. You're an enemy.